Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all. Welcome back to iSelf Academy YouTube channel. And in today's point, I would like to enlighten our younger audiences here, or those who want to set their foot in IT industry. Those can go through certain certifications which allows them to give an idea about IT specialization easily here. So recently, Certiport issued set of certification called IT specialist. Probably if I go to the browser and then if I start taking the data set here, that will give you a more idea about what I'm talking about. So when I go back to the Certiport website right now, and then you can see that in Certiport we can get a lot of certification point, and I'm going to give you a logic called information and technology specialization. So there are a lot of certification that we have in our information and certification list here. So few of the certification that are available in here is called on these topics here. So you can create an artificial intelligence certifications and cloud computing, computational thinking, cyber security, data analytics, database, data configuration and management, HTML, CSS, HTML5 application development, Java, JavaScript, networking, network security, Python, and software development. I got one of the certifications so far, so I just cleared my data analytical certification. Now I'm embarking on another journey where I'm going to deal with the databases, and I'm talking about cloud computing here. Again, when I come across these certification, I felt that there is no enough information available for us in a certiport.com, or there is no enough support for us to learn about this better. So when I want to learn about the resourcing in this logic, I felt that there is a lot of things that comes into play. We don't have any videos or any built-in structure that is already given to us. So what I'm about to do right now is I'm going to create a small set of videos that allows us to learn more about the IT specialist here. If you are happy to see any one of the certification, if you want me to create a certification here for a specific dimension, please do let me know. The certification that we have in our list is artificial intelligence, cloud computing, computational thinking, and so on and so forth. You can go to that certiport.com website here, and then once you go into the educational side of it, so once you go to the educators resources, and then when I select certify, you will get the information below, and you can download the data sets here. So when I go back to the list, this is the object domain that you have to be familiar with when you want to clear a data analytical certification. This is a very elementary certification that will allow you to know more about data analytics. I do downloaded all these dimensions with the code in it. So there is a lot of exam that comes into play. So it starts with 102, 103, and so on and so forth. If you want to know more about the IT data analytics, so you can see ITS OD 202 will be the PDFs. Then this is the PDF that we have here. Again, if you can able to know more about the dataset, that will be great. So here, this particular program break into multiple dimensions here. So it starts with data basics, data manipulation, and then you can talk about data analysis is what is all about, and then data visualization, communication, and responsible analytical practices. What are the components that you have to do when you want to perform a topic like this? So in our upcoming videos, we are about to go through a specific topic or a specific data dimension, which allows us to know more about cloud computing. So my agenda is to create a small idea about cloud computing. So this is what the topic that comes into play. When I read this topic, I was really interested because this is touching a lot of component of Azure fundamentals. So you can see how to create an Azure data sets here. So they talk about the basic idea of Azure from AZ 900, and then they touched how the data set works in AZ, because most of the AZ 900 basics are covered in this. There are a few things which is beyond AZ 900 is covered in this data set here. So I'm planning to release a set of videos here, and this video will allow you to know more about it. And this is the first video. I'm giving it for free, and if you want to achieve this, and if you want to learn more about cloud computing better, you can be a member of my YouTube channel. So I'm not charging too much of money here. I'm just adding a small package here. It's a $4.99 package which allows you to get into my YouTube space, and then you will get all this information in a detailed video with a live Azure cloud example with Azure portal here. So I'll teach you all these dimensions. So the cloud computing talks about determining if the cloud solutions is appropriate or what, and then development of cloud architectures, and then implementing a cloud development lifecycle, and then it talks about managing cloud operations and understanding the cloud governance are the topics that we are about to see. We'll go through one by one, and then we will learn all these dimensions in a much more detailed format as we go forward. If you want all these videos, or the subsequent videos will all be for only to my members who are a part of my YouTube channel. This is the introduction video that I'm giving, so everyone who is interested in joining the YouTube channel, you can comment on this video, and then you will be seeing the paid version for it. You can be a paid user to check this video in detail. I'm going to answer every query here, and I'm not going to just create a cloud computing styles of class alone. I'm planning to do all these classes here. We literally have around 15 different topics. So every week I will touch one topic or the basic topics on all the data set here. This is going to give you the complete Azure fundamental ideology before you go to a fundamental certifications, which is a part of certification where you will see Azure fundamentals on security, Azure fundamentals on AI, data, and then Dynamic 365 fundamentals on ERPs, and then you can see Power Platform fundamentals, and you can also get Microsoft 365 compliances fundamentals too. So to write these certifications or to go to the next level of Azure certification, this IT certification looks like a wonderful start for all of us, and just not really costing you more on taking up an exam here. But if you want to learn about this in a detailed mode, probably we don't have any specific videos, or I don't think anybody who has a detailed idea about this content cover that I'm trying to do in this list here. So I've already completed one of the certification. I'm embarking to complete these two certifications in the near future. So once I do that, I will even share those certifications examination, how it will be, and then what are the questions are asked. I'll just show you all those dimensions for you, or whatever experience that I have encountered while I take up the examination, I'll share them all to you. This is Vinod signing out in myself Academy YouTube channel. If you want to know more about IT specialist, please comment below. And this is the first video that I'm creating for IT specialist, and we will be talking more about Azure fundamentals in the subsequent videos. We will touch all of them. And if you are interested in any other Azure certification which is on a role based, so you can see the numbers that is available here, so you can learn more about it. I will explain what are the role based certifications are available at the moment in Azure 2. So watch my video continuously. I'll be adding few free videos in between. If you are going for a conceptual video here, or any learning video that I want to add for a specific topics here, those are all paid version. So you can be a member of my my particular YouTube channel, and then you can get all those datas continuously for a very minimal value of your membership. This is Vinod signing out. Thank you so much.